Fix and unfix constraints. So when we use the fix constraint, it will nail down like a line so that the location is fixed, but we can still change the size by dragging the endpoints. So right now I can change the size of this thing, not a problem, all right? And if I were to go up to modify and I go to move and copy and I select on, let's say, this line here, and I come in here and I can move it, all right? So everything's able to move around right now. So there's nothing stopping me from moving. If I come up into a fix and I say, oh, I want to fix this line and I want to fix this line, they're both now green. I'm going to hit escape, and then I want to come up and I want to do a move, for example, and notice it doesn't let me select those two lines. But if I come down here and pick on this line, it does allow me to select those lines, and I can then move that line. So it is anchored down these two lines, and at any time I can still change the length of it, but it's still anchored down. Those two lines are fixed in position. So a lot of times you might want to consider fixing your entire sketch to, like, maybe the lower left hand corner to the origin, or maybe the center of it to the origin or something like that. And this prevents it from being able to accidentally make changes to your sketch that isn't 100% constraint. So fixing it allows us to apply a constraint to a line or an arc to nail it down to the screen, if you will.